Hi, you are watching a video from the Amazing Garden channel. And in this video I will tell you what you need to put in pots with seedlings so that it is strong and thick. At the same time, it did not stretch out. You can take out this fertilizer as when transplanting seedlings, by adding it directly to the cup with the soil in which you will plant seedlings, and also if the seedlings are already growing in pots, then you can mix this organic fertilizer with the top layer of soil in the pot. When watering, this fertilizer will penetrate the entire depth of the pot and be absorbed by seedlings. And we will talk about bone meal. It is sold freely and inexpensively in garden shops, in pet stores and at the market. Because bone meal is useful not only for plants, but also for animals. But in this video I will tell you about all the benefits and the correctness of applying it specifically for seedlings. Its composition is rich in various macro and microelements such as potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc, but most importantly, bone meal contains a large amount of phosphorus, which is easily accessible and quickly absorbed by seedlings. The advantage of putting it in pots with seedlings is that this fertilizer will not harm the plant itself, as well as the root system, since it is pure organic and it is a long-acting fertilizer. Therefore, the effect on seedlings you will get is not lightning fast, but gradual, but very long-lasting. Bone meal decomposes in the soil from 5 to 8 months. Therefore, even after planting seedlings from cups in the open ground, or in a greenhouse, bone meal will continue to provide your seedlings with phosphorus, which will increase the growth of the root system. And this, in turn, will affect the rapid survival and adaptation of seedlings in the open ground. And you need to make it as follows. If you are just going to transplant seedlings from the nursery into pots, and it does not matter what kind of eggplant, tomatoes, peppers or any flowers, then add 1 tablespoon without a hill of bone meal to the prepared pots, and mix thoroughly with the soil. Then transplant seedlings into these cups, and pour clean earth on top, because the organic matter that remains on the surface of the pot during watering can become covered with mold. And even a thin layer of half a centimeter of soil will prevent its appearance. But if you have already transplanted seedlings, and they are not growing, or on the contrary, they have begun to stretch, then take a teaspoon of bone meal, scatter on the surface of the pot, mix with the top of the soil and also a thin layer of soil, then sprinkle on top. There is of course another option for adding bone meal. You need to take 50 grams of bone meal and dissolve it in 1 liter of water. Let it infuse for 7 days, and then you can also water the seedlings with this fertilizer. So you will see the effect of bone meal much faster than adding dry flour to the pot. And the multiplicity of application of this fertilizer, even in liquid form, even in dry form, is only once, in the state of seedlings. And it is advisable to do this at the time of transplanting seedlings or after. That's it for me. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. I wish you a strong seedling and a good day. See you in the new videos.